So this is basically 121st number part of the language bar video. So one person told that per month basically income basically is more than 20 to 30 crore minimum basically. So you can just imagine basically 20 to 30 crore basically per month basically is the income from one software basically. So it's not a huge income basically. It's a huge income. This is basically the minimum income basically. So maximum basically it can cross 100 crore basically. Minimum basically, so in medium range basically if we see the income it's 100 crore. And maximum basically if you go it's connect to 200 to 300 crore. Sometimes 400, 500 crore basically. Monthly income basically. And this type of data, this type of investment basically who can do, who can basically create this type of software? Only TCS group can do. Why? Because they have the power of nuclear data basically. And to create human needs basically nuclear data basically is required basically. So one of the person told that like this basically the human needs are also created basically in this world. Like this basically the human needs are also basically created in this world basically. So you can just imagine basically the world is going up to what level, and this everything basically is connected to the birth data and death data. That is the main data basically which we have discussed, that is 150 cities and 150 cities. So on the base of that only basically the entire world is created, and if any changes basically happens in the birth and death data, the world data basically will get effect basically. So mostly basically this keeps on changing basically. It's not like that basically this doesn't change. The data basically keeps on changing. Data basically keeps on changing basically. So one of the person told how basically the financial sector basically creates the products, how they collects the money, what are the source of income of the financial sector basically. Because World Bank basically is nothing basically. World Bank is a mediator basically, you can say as a agent basically is the playing role of dalal basically. That basically you can say as a agent basically. If World Bank is agent, then basically banks are basically who? Sub agents basically of this financial sectors basically. So in next video basically we are going to see that only.